The long summer evenings are a perfect time to catch up on all our sewing projects, so why not get some inspiration from this last-minute baby quilt brought to us by tutor Anita Birtles, who says this is an easy and very inspiring project and a perfect gift for friends or relatives with a newborn baby, and it's super quick. Sally Ann Harrison returns, this time with her coil pot designs, a really different way to create storage, as well as possibly proving addictive. Sally Ann has made lots of variations. It uses up fabric strips from your stash. Mandy Shaw shows us how to create this lovely pincushion, which upcycles a vintage piece of embroidery that she has fallen in love with. And Carolyn Forster is back in the studio, this time inspiring us with a beautiful rose block that uses just one very simple template to create this stunning pattern, and is again inspired by a classic vintage design. Our tip Thursday this month comes from expert quilter Claire Campion, who tells us not to be afraid of quilting over our patchwork. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £5 a month.